Welcome to my channel Divination 777. So those of you have already subscribed, thank you so much for your love and support, and thank you for all your comments. I love hearing your stories. Thank you for your likes. uh, Thank you for helping me grow. You guys are making me grow, making my channel grow. We guys are helping each other, so thank you so much for all the love and support that you guys give me. And those of you are new, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment down below if it resonates with you, and hit on the notification bell so that you know whenever my videos are uploaded. So right now I'm going to do urgent midnight messages from your ancestors. So let's see what your ancestors have to tell you. They have to tell you a lot. Want to tell you a lot. Okay, so how do you want me to put it? Okay. So we have the mirror, temple of the sun, path, and earth chalice. So you guys have been doing a lot of work on yourselves. You have been working on yourselves. You have been growing yourselves. I am getting this phrase, beacon of hope for others. You are like the temple of the sun is here. Like, you guys are shining brightly. You are on your higher path and you are very grounded. You guys, this is your energy. You are very grounded. You have worked on yourselves a lot, and you are finally on your higher path now. You are the sun. You are shining your light. You're inspiring others. You're a beacon of hope for others, and you have a very grounded and serene, beautiful energy, and you need to spread that energy. 2 messages I'm getting here for you. Take it as it resonates. You have to spread this beautiful serene energy that you have, and for the other half, you need to ground yourself, because you are beacon of hope for others and you inspire others. So you need to ground your energy. You need to ground your 333. So 3 is a very strong spiritual number. So you guys are in alignment with the universe, and very highly spiritual, very highly intuitive. So half of you, like, just take it as it resonates. Please ground your energy, because your energy is beautiful. You are a beacon of hope for others. You guys could be healers, light workers, doctors, nurses. Some of you are just champion warriors. You're just inspiring others with your work in general. And you give hope. You bring light to other people. You inspire people. So you need to spread that energy, and to spread the beautiful who are already grounded, who are already in this beautiful earthly energy. Spread it. And lot of you need to ground yourselves. You really need to ground yourselves. You need to, something is troubling you. some past stuff. You are still working on yourself. Something is troubling you. You need to let go of that. Release what does not serve you. Just ground your energy. You can just go out in the nature, just hug a tree, or just connect with nature, or just connect. If you have pets, connect, just play with your pets more, or if you come across street dogs, feed them. Just connect with nature in general, and just hug a tree, or just go in the park near your house, or just take a walk in the lawn, or go near a beach. Just connect with nature. Just ground yourself. Just ground yourself. Connect with Mother Earth. So let me just get few oracles from this deck. Just keep in mind it's a general reading, so it may not resonate with everyone. So take whatever resonates with you, whatever applies to you. We have the message, a time to give rather than take. So like I said, you guys are a beacon of hope for others. Ground yourself, spread hope, spread love. It's a time to give rather than take. Give. Don't go or coop up inside your shell. It can be hard sometimes. It is hard when we are in our head. Just ground yourself, because people like you are needed. The world needs people like you, because you are a ray of light, a hope, inspiration. So just pull yourself together, ground yourself, so that you can give to others, because it's a time of giving. People need you. The world needs you. The world needs people like you. What oracles do we want me to pick something up from this deck? Okay, we have the Judgment card over here. I would okay, so those of you are like were not able to give, you guys weren't able to give because you guys are in a very conflicted, hyperactive, overthinking kind of energy. So just know, whoever or whatever the situation is that caused you a lot of pain, there are a lot of people, not just, it could be male, female, we do not treat gender in tarot. So there are a lot of people around you who have caused pain. They have like stabbed you in the back again and again, betrayed you. They have like used you. They have used you over and over again. Like I'm getting a lot of you dealt with narcissistic people. They keep manipulating you and using you. So that is what is troubling you. That is troubling you, and that is what is bringing this kind of energy, and you are not able to give. It is a time to give, and you are not able to give, and you're not able to ground yourselves, because this is the problem. So the divine wants to tell you, these people who have hurt you, who have ill-treated you, are facing their judgment. They will be facing their judgment in about 10 days. Whenever you come across this video, just know that the people who have hurt you will be facing their judgment within you. They are actually facing their judgment, and you will get to know about it within 10 days of watching this video. Or maybe you watch it on let's just say the date is 8th, and you just hear that the person who troubled you is going through a hard situation and karma is hitting them on 10th. The date is 10th. So 10th is 10 is of significance here. The number 10 is significant here. So just relax, calm down. Divine is working. Karma is at its best. That's the phrase I'm getting right now. Karma is at its best. So just relax, ground yourself, and keep giving and keep nurturing people, and just keep inspiring and be the champion, the warrior, the nurturer that you are. Just be the light. Be the light in this darkness that you always do for others. So continue that. Get out of your head. Karma is at its best, so don't worry about this situation. It may seem like that you may feel stuck or stagnant. It may seem like that things are not improving, but that is not true. That is not true. Karma is actually at its best right now, and since karma is hitting these people so hard that they are flustered and they are trying their best to hide that they are reaping the reaping what let's just say what goes around comes around. So they are reaping what they have sown. So they are trying their best to hide that karma is hitting them, and since they are hiding it, and they are pretty good at hiding and creating illusion, that is why you guys are feeling like nothing is happening, but that is not true. It's all an illusion. Karma is hitting them, and you will get to know about it very soon. So let me just pull few cards from this deck. What messages do we have? Yeah, see, hasta la vista baby. This is to the people who hurt you. Divine is taking care of them. Hasta la vista baby. Bye bye to them. So don't worry about that. Ground yourself. Just do you. Just keep doing you. Just let go of your worries. It's all an illusion. It's all an illusion. You have won. You have already won. You have conquered. You are the warrior. What message do you want to give me? Okay, and we have a new cycle begins, a new love cycle. When bye bye to the bad cycle. If it's a love connection, new romantic cycle is going to begin. Balance is going to be restored. If this was a family member that was troubling you, that bye bye to that person. Whoever was troubling you, bye bye to them. They will not be able to interfere with your love life. That's what I'm getting. Those people were interfering with your love life, and love is a very strong emotion, and you guys had started giving up on love. That's what I'm getting. This is for some of you. So you guys had started giving up on love. Don't do that. Keep loving, spread love. New romantic cycles are going to begin. Balance is going to be restored. So these are the messages that I have for you, beautiful souls. So like my videos. If this resonated with you, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell so that you know whenever my videos are uploaded. If you want a personal reading from me, DM me on my Instagram. You can mail me, follow me on my Instagram page. I put up daily guidances over there. All the details will be given in the description box down below. So that's what I have for you guys. Love and light to all of you. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed.